will now proceed to entangle the entire area. Almost cut my hair. It happened just the other day. It's getting kinda long. I could have said it wasn't my way, but I didn't, and I wonder why. I feel like letting my freak flag fly. Yes, I feel like I owe it to someone. Must be because I had the flu for Christmas, and I'm not feeling up to bar. It increases my paranoia, like looking at my mirror and seeing a police car. But I'm not giving in an inch to fear, 'cause I promised myself this year I feel like I owe it to someone. When I finally get myself together, I'm going to get down in that sunny southern weather.